Holy smokes, everyone. Just left the gas station, and I just quickly wanted to talk about something that just came to my mind as I left the gas station. So as I'm leaving now, I've been watching the price of oil, and yeah, the price of oil has come down about 20%. But look here, unleaded is still $2.05 a litre, V-Power $2.99, and diesel still $2.17. So again, with oil down around 20% now, hit a high of around $139 per barrel. What is going on with gas prices and petrol prices, what we call it here in Australia, and I guess in the UK? Yeah, like I said, it's still over $2 per litre. And they said, you know, all this increasing costs in fuel, it's all because of the war. You know, that's the excuse for everything. It's all Putin's fault, and it's all because of war. Now, don't get me wrong, that's definitely played a huge factor in the recent spike of gas prices, or like I said, petrol prices. But we've been seeing this trend happen over the past 18 months. This isn't something that is, you know, just crept up out of nowhere. And what they're still refusing to acknowledge is none of them are calling out the Fed increasing the money supply. It's now up to increased 80%. You know, in 2020, in that short 6 months period, they increased it by 25% in that short time frame. But now, with it coming up to 2 years now, they've increased the money supply by 80%. And the way they used to record inflation was by an increase in the money supply. It's called the Cantillon effect. You know, you increase the money supply, then that goes and gets sent to the banks, then the banks lend that out, then consumers take on that debt, and they go out there and spend, and that's what creates inflation. So it's going to be very interesting to see if oil does continue to go down, because I think as I'm recording this, it's down to around $107 to $110 per barrel. Be interesting to see if the cost of gas and petrol does start to come down. So maybe is this the gas and petrol companies, these gas stations, are they thinking that this is only a short-term reduction in gas prices and fuel costs? And this is a reason why we've also seen a recent rally in the stock market, is because a big fear for the stock market was surging oil, because we've got the bond market, the yield curve, predicting recession right now. Now, if all of a sudden oil went to, you know, $150 per barrel, well, then you would have a double whammy there for predicting recession. So we have to really watch what happens with oil, because it has a big effect on inflation, and it has a big effect on consumer sentiment and consumer demand. Because if people are spending all their money filling up, you know, their gas tanks, like I just filled up my tank, and yeah, it's getting pretty expensive. Well, then that's going to have a big effect on discretionary spending. And I'll just take the sunnies off here now that I parked up. So yeah, that's something I'm watching. And what do you think, guys? Do you think gas prices or petrol prices are going to start coming down soon? Let me know down below.